my name is Lisa and I'm a designer for Cocoa Daisy. My kit arrived yesterday afternoon and I still haven't opened it. I've been waiting to open it until a good time when I could actually enjoy it. So I'm going to jump in right now and see what I'm receiving to design with for August. So this is everything that's in the kit. I'm going to take everything out and then open the individual packets and show you what's here. Got quite a lot this month actually. As always, I'm going to start with the main kit. This is the 12 by 12 memory making kit. Well, this is a lovely contrast to last month's. I'm really liking this. So let's start. This is so much fun. Sorry, the neighbour a few doors down has a really loud dog. Sequins. What a beautiful little bottle of sequins, and there's stars and round sequins in there. These are really nice. They've got me rather excited about scrapbooking. I've been away for a while and I'm dying to start again. We've got some little photo frames. There's 3 there. They feel really nice quality, really sturdy. Packaging is beautiful. Really like that. The stamps, I say this all the time, as a designer we kind of get like the proofs. Let me show you these better. So yours will actually arrive in Cocoa Daisy packaging, but ours gets sent out before everything's properly ready. So it says, here and now, be the star of your story, last days of summer, loving life right now. We've got variations of stars. There's a heart there. Let me tell you a story, and here's the best part. Really, really like those. We've got some really nice, can't think what you call these. They're like enamel dots, but obviously larger. We've got some round stickers here. We've got some sticker words. We've also got some Evalicious alphabet stickers. We have got I love die cuts. We've got Stay Wild Moonchild. We've got feathers. And there's also other small die cuts as well back in the routine. I've got ages till ours go back to school yet actually. We've broken up really early. I've got one that's just finished high school and the other about to start uni. So my kids don't go back. They broke up really early for those reasons. Oh, I like that. Love this moment. I've got one going back on, I think, September the 10th, and I think the other's the end of September, starting uni. These are so nice. So I'm not going to be into a routine probably until October. It sounds ages away. There we go. I love those. I'm a big fan of die cuts. I've got so many lovely holiday vacation photos. So my mind is spinning at the moment. I can't wait to start scrapbooking again. A glassine envelope. Quite often when the kits are sent out, they're not fully complete for the design team, so quite often we're missing bits and pieces. I've got some acrylic stars, and this says Under the Stars. That's really cute. So it could well be for the main kits, for the subscribers, but there's extra bits in there. So we've got alphabet stickers. They're almost like a craft colour. And then we've got, oh, I like this, Kaiser Craft. Now it's says photo friendly Stargazer collection, so I guess you could use that on a layout. I'm thinking it would make a really cool stencil though. I like that. Might have to see what I'm going to do, although I can imagine sticking small photos as well. This is a really fun one, or you could like layer it up over something like that. I like that one. I always like to go through and pop my favourite of each side top up. That's pretty, but I love those. They look like mountains. I've got mountain photos to document. Oh, I like the grid. This one's nice. I love the Cocoa Daisy papers. I must get so boring. I just repeat myself the same every month, just saying how much I love them. The feathers are cool. Nice. I like this kit very, very much. And there's a couple of pieces of cardstock as well. So that is the main 12 by 12 memory keeping kit. I'm going to open up this one next. I'm guessing this one could be the paper add-on. I'm not sure. Yeah, looks like it. This is sold separately to the main kit. So we've got Kaiser Craft. Oh, they're quite cool. I like those. We've got Maggie Holmes. We've got more Kaiser Craft. Love the stars here, crepe paper. That's really cool. Oh, I like both sides on that one. What's this one? Kaiser Craft again. And these are sweet. Really nice. I like that paper a lot. That's a really nice paper add-on actually. It goes really, really well with the kit. I'm really pleased with that one. I've also got the classified bag here. Not something I'm allowed to open and share with on the unboxings as it's supposed to be a surprise. So for those of you who have decided to buy it, I will not be ruining the surprise for you. But look out for my projects coming up because the pieces in here will feature on my project. I've also got a Daisy Dory here, a insert for my traveller's notebook that should match this kit. I'm currently using, I've just started my August one. I'll link up below so you can take a look. I've just started documenting, just taking one photo each day and documenting something positive that's happened or been said, something like that. So I might see how that goes, and I may well actually continue and keep it as a monthly thing. That's really pretty. I like that. Just found the little card, the intro card that goes in the front of each kit. It was caught up in the tissue paper. This is the name of the kit, Back Porch, and there's a little note there from Christine, which is always really nice to read and just gives you a little bit of an insight to the kit. I'm now going to open up the pocket kit. This used to be called the Day in the Life kit. This is always my favourite part of the kit. Let's just start at the top and work your way down. I just feel for your money. I love the 12x12s and I am a traditional 12x12 scrapbooker, but I always feel you get so much for your money in these kits, and I love all the bits and pieces. So this goes very well with what I've already seen in the main kit. We've got the acrylic stars, but this one says to the moon and back. I might use these on our Space Mountain photos from Disney. They will go really well. Let's have a look at the stamps. I love as well by getting both kits you get 2 stamp sets. So what does this one say? We've got days of the week, which is always handy. Don't forget, do all the things. We've got some little almost like tick off boxes, the moons, this, and that looks like some tape. I really, really like that, and we'll use that lots. We've got some more die cuts here. These are exclusive to the pocket set, so if you do get both kits, they just complement each other. You don't get duplicates, which I really like. And I like the theming of this kit. You've kind of got like the moon and the stars, you've got owls, you've got feathers, a few florally things as well. It's a really nice combination. It's not all just about the moons and stars, for example. It is a nice little combo of everything, so I'm pleased with that. I've also got some more stickers. I've got a really nice set of a puffy sticker alphabet, more Evalicious stickers, and I've got more of these enamel dot stickers as well. Again, different designs to what's in the memory making kit. And then these are the exclusive papers from Cocoa Daisy that have been cut down to 6x6 size, which again I really find useful. I've got another set of stickers. These are like washi. I like these. Yeah, it's just like washi tape. That's really cool. That's nice and different. And then we've got the journal cards, 4x6s. And then I've got the small 3x4s as well. Got September here, so that's great. And August for planning ahead. And these obviously all complement the kit. These is going to go so well with my holiday photos. Really, really nice. I'm excited to use these. And we've got some more family time coming up. My dad's coming to visit from the States and we've got all the family coming over. So this will work really well for me later in the month as well, especially with all the bits and pieces with August on them. Can you hear that dog? It's so noisy. We've got a dog, but ours doesn't bark unless there's a fox. Right, that is the pocket kit. And I've got another load to go through. This looks like the planner kit. So I'm very excited to be looking into this. So So this is August. Oh my goodness, it's got a pouch. This looks like so much fun. So we've got this big daisy. Oh, perfect for Cocoa Daisy. We've got the most beautiful washi tape. Isn't that beautiful? We've got Post-its. We've got the sweetest daisy stamps. We've got a sweet little charm. That's the wrong way. Oh my goodness. Really sweet. Look at this pouch and look at that tassel. Oh my goodness. How amazing is that? It feels beautiful. Oh, I love this. I love that so much. That is so nice. I love the tassel on it. Can't get over how beautiful this is. We've got a notepad. Busy, busy, busy. With little cups of tea. We've got some... I've got my planner pages, and I've also got, let's open the die cuts first. Oh, you've got a picture there on the back of the die cuts. So you've got tabs, flowers, bees, cups and saucers. We've got stickers, planner stickers, more planner stickers. I need to set my planner up for August. I'm really behind as we've only come back this week. More planner stickers, and we've got papers here which are really handy. Oh, I like that yellow. Really handy for turning into dashboards if you need them. Sometimes I use them as an extension of my scrapbooking kit because these match with my August kit that I've actually still got out and I'm using at the moment. Just going to show you the planner pages and then I'm done with this unboxing. No wonder this kit felt so heavy. Obviously August. Got the calendar. Again, I say this every month. These for me are my meal planning sheets. So we've got one for every day of the week, or one for each, week. Planner pages. And then on the backs of these, you've also got space for writing, journaling, list making. And then we've also got the daily to-dos as well, which I love using. So that is the planner kit. I'm going to start setting up my planner. I haven't actually set up my planner on video for some time, so I might actually do that. If you don't subscribe to my video, there's a little bell button down below. Please do click that and you'll get a notification each time I upload. So yes, I think I'm going to go and set up my planner now, ready for August, as I'm really late. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you love Cocoa Daisy, if you like the look of this kit, please give me a thumbs up, and I will go to get creating very soon. I'll see you very soon. Thank you. Bye.